Assalamu alaikum grade 3. I am here with lesson number 1 from unit number 2, Allah. Grade 3, as you all know that Allah is the one and only. He has no friends, no children and no parents. He is all alone. Grade 3, whenever we see this beautiful word, a question arises in our minds that who made this world? And without any doubt, we know that there is only one power who can do it, and that power is Allah. Allah gave us everything that we need to live. He gave us soil to grow food and house to live in. He gave us friends and family so that we don't feel lonely. Grade 3, Allah is great and we must pray only to Him. He has given us life and He has blessed us a lot. We should always pray Allah. And now see the beautiful things which are made by Allah. And whenever we see these things, we should say Subhanallah. Grade 3, Allah is great and we must pray only to Him. Being Muslim, we must obey Him, thank Him and to be good to His people. Grade 3, do reading of page number 8 and 9 under the supervision of your parents. Allah Hafiz and be happy.